Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the internet speed indicator on the status bar in this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option notification and status bar, then tap on the option status bar. So here you can see the option real time network speed. Just turn on this one. Now you can see the internet speed indicator on the status bar. I will show the closer view. You can see, right? When you browse anything in your device, then you can see the change. You can see, simply here I am going to install this one. Now you can see the internet speed indicator is changing. You can see here, right? So simply in this way you can enable the internet speed indicator on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.